Hi friends, today I will do a comparison of OnePlus 10T versus Asus ZenFone 9. So let's see the detail of in-hand feel. Let's discuss about camera in detail. Let's start with OnePlus 10T. It's have a triple camera slot and its primary camera at 50 megapixel aperture 1.8, ultra wide 16 megapixel aperture 2.2 or micro camera of 2 megapixel aperture 2.4 or STR LED flash. Let's discuss about Asus ZenFone 9. It's also have a dual camera setup and its primary camera is 50 megapixel aperture 1.9, ultra wide 12 megapixel aperture 2.2 or STR LED flash. Come around 50,000 of $626 of 8GB RAM or 128GB internal storage, or Asus ZenFone 9 come around 48,000 of $600 of 8GB RAM or 128GB internal storage. Let's come on result. Asus ZenFone 9 versus OnePlus 10T. Design wise, both the phone have good looking design, display are also good, camera are same, processor are also the same on both the phone, connectivity are also same. There is a better charger on OnePlus 10T of 125 watt and price is almost same. So thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching our video.